Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and we have another coin review for you here. We have one from South Georgia and the Sandwich Islands. Now you'll see that around the Queen's obverse, saying where it is. It'll also give you a date of 2022. You're behind, Steve. Wake up. The metal is Cupra nickel diamond finish. It's 8 grams, it's 27.3 millimeters, and there's an issue of 2,750. It's of the ship Quest, and I'll read you the bump on the back. It says, a low-powered schooner rigged steamship. The Quest was given a name by Lady Hamilton Shackleton, the wife of Sir Ernest Shackleton, and sailed from 1917 to 1962. Best known as a polar expedition vessel of the Shackleton Rowett expedition of 1921 to 22. The Quest sailed from London on September the 17th, 1921 and reached South Georgia on the 4th of January 1922. While preparing to enter Antarctic waters the following night, Sir Ernest Shackleton, the commander of the expedition, died aboard the vessel while she was at anchor in Griffinsten, and that's Grytviken. The Shackleton Rowett expedition is considered to be the final episode in the heroic age of Antarctic exploration. So the coin, you there have a picture of Sir Ernest Shackleton. So if I just go out a bit, it says Quest, the centenary of Sir Ernest Shackleton. There's a picture of Sir Ernest Shackleton. There is a picture of the schooner Quest. So if we take a look at the coin itself, let's get you back in again. There we go. We have a, what is it, there's 2 rigs there certainly, and a forward rig, and you have the steam capability there in the centre between the 2 rigs. You have the valuation of 50 at the top of the coin, and you have the actual name of the ship Quest underneath. This is the final one of the coins that are being produced this year on card of the ships, from what I understand. There may be a second series coming out later on, but this is the end of the first series for this year. You see the boat is actually in icebound water of the Antarctic. Again, the background to where the coin is actually shows the ship itself. Whoops, let me get the ship back in. And let me come out just a little bit. Let me come out, come on. Out, not in. In, out, and shake it all about and all the rest of it. There you go. The blue outline of the ship itself is there, and by looking at the picture and then going back to the coin, you can easily make out that this is the same ship. Now, I've collected the whole series. I think, in my own personal view, I've enjoyed collecting the coins, and a lot of people seem to enjoy coins and animals on coins. Ships and animals on coins. And, well, I say ships, I suppose you could call other forms of transporting as well to that, the major ones being ships, trains and planes. Each of them tend to have a following. This, as I say, is the final one for this year in the current series. Whether there'll be a second series or not, I don't know. There may well be towards the end of the year. So along with this ship coin, there's also coming to the end the Valerian ones, which are from the British Virgin Islands, which were 6 coins It says searching for his book, which was 6 coins. That came in capsules rather than on the card. This is the one I'm going on about. Now this last one, which is HMS Formidable, I do have on pre-order, and that will be coming in shortly, so that will end that series as well. So the question will be, what series will be next? I await with bated breath, as they say. So, tell me, do you like this particular coin on this card? It's pretty good. PUBG do a very good carded series of coins, and they always do well, and they're always popular. So it doesn't surprise me that there's very few of these coins available still left at PopJoy. I dare say they will have a sale at some time, so if you have missed any of the series and you want to get them, you'll be able to pick them up possibly cheaper sometime in the next couple of months, next few months. If you've enjoyed this particular video, can you please give me the thumbs up? If there's anything you want to suggest, discuss, put it down in the discussion area, and I'll certainly have a chat with you via email, via the discussion area. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you get them the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And my final part is a little bit of an appeal. I'm trying to get to a minimum of at least 100 subs this year. I'm sort of in my mid to late 70s in subscription level, so if you've enjoyed this video and previous videos, or even if you're brand new and this is the first time here and you think I deserve a chance to entertain you in the future, please subscribe to the channel. I would love it also if you give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. It's a good guide for me, and between the subscriptions and the likes, I will be put in front of new people via the YouTube algorithms, and hopefully they will also enjoy my content and will subscribe to the channel. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far down the line in the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.